Okay, here we are on the Haw River. First recorded kayak trip. Let's hope we don't get any underwater shots. This is a very precarious setup here, being done by an amateur. But we're paddling upriver. We're about 10 minutes out from the 15501 bridge. And as you can see, it's a beautiful day. November 11th, 2010. And we're far enough away from 15501 that we should be able to pick up a bird's call and just also just hear the silence, because it is amazing how silent it is out here and not that far away from the highway. I was hoping that the trees would be a little bit more colorful, maybe in another 2 or 3 days. Really nervous with this camera perched like this, but on the tripod, pretty stable. I think I'll point it down a little bit more to the that's a nice shot. The time now, it's about 4:30. So I can only paddle for about another 45 minutes or so, because it gets dark at 5:30. And I definitely want to be out of the river before 5:30. So I guess I got about, I don't know, maybe another 20 minutes, 30 minutes upriver, and then turn around. So we won't make it too far up. Go over by these rocks. See, we don't want to go right into the sun there. You can see what happened there. The sun is glaring right off of the water. We'll just turn the boat around just so we get a view of where we come from. That's where we just came from. There's a little island, tree island here. I don't know how much detail. Like They built a tree house there and live there. Alright, let's head upstream a little bit longer. Time here. Looks like it turned around. Alright, let's see what time it is. Alright, time is right about 4:30. So we're doing pretty good. We can go for another 20 minutes actually. Upstream. I think you scenery, because we're going into the sun, I'm going to turn the camera off and turn it back on again when we're headed back. So I'll talk to you later.